baby? What's my baby? I've changed my best friend. I want to go and wash it at the veranda. But before we go there, okay. Something that I ordered just arrived. They will leave this one for ground because what I ordered, they just arrived. Now I see them. Wait till I want to see. What are you guys going to see? Wait till now I see. Let me show now. Let me show you guys. Oh, okay. I ordered something for Shane, and I am trying to because I ordered almost about a few stuff that I want to use at this moment. But I don't know which one come out from inside though. Let's unbox. Let's unbox. Okay. I know some are they curious. Not today they curious for this social media. Not today they curious. My mommies and my daddies. Okay, let's go for the first one. For the first one. Okay. This hair don't come. See what I order. When I see what I order, the hair don't come. See what for. Look at the there for ground. See what follow the bag and the baggages. The packing of this hair from Shane. Get. See. No. I order glue lace because I don't need any lace when they call the glue for life again. I don't need that. All these ones are the carton and the packages. Okay. See, wow. Is it I ordered 30 inches? Yeah, 30 inches. Because I just need a quick hair. When I go use I just come up. See inside. They put all these things. This one they nice. I'm coming. I'm not with my hair. Okay, let's do it like this. I'm coming. Oh, you know, wait, make it before I do one like this. Okay, glueless. And so it take on. Okay. I know say I make a cuckoo. I pack my hair cuckoo. Hey, see? The wife of Mr. Luca. The wife of Mr. Luca. If I don't straight her, I don't walk on then weave my hair go down. See wow. I'll cut some parts, come out all these parts. Now this one a quick action to go. Are you ready to come out with me? This is what I ordered. Very, very easy to go. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. It's beautiful. Hey. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Mona, no worry. I will show you guys this hair after styling everything, working on it. This is a straight human hair, straight one, Brazilian human hair. It's very, very soft. Yeah, it has this stuff. And glueless, no gluing. You are not gluing anything. Everything remain like this. Gege. I'll soon now. Let's do unboxing for the other video. Hey!